We are back with a new interesting video. If you are watching our video first time, check out our previous video after this. This time we are going to discuss everything about comets. What are they, from where they come from, and all things that you should know. So watch this video till the end. Have you ever seen any falling star in your life? If not, then sure you saw on Discovery Channel on TV. So they are meteors, which are formed by comets. When comets passes near the atmosphere of Earth, then they leave many dust or debris particles behind them. That particles are meteors. It is not necessary that all meteors comes from comets. Sometimes they can be formed by asteroids. So for asteroids there will be a separate video, but firstly, what are comets? Comets are celestial bodies that orbit sun. Before solid structure, they were gases, dust and rocks. And after many long period of time revolving, they cools down and become solid. Their size varies from 1 mile to up to 60 miles and mainly they are dark black in color. So it is all about what are comets, but from where they comes from. They are thought to come from two places. First, the Oort cloud. This is the region almost light year from the sun. Let's clear what a light year is. So light year is a unit of distance and is defined by International Astronomical Union as the distance traveled by light in a vacuum during a year. It is approximately equals to 6 trillion miles. So sure you calculate how far is Oort cloud. And because of having long periods, Oort cloud comets are also known as long periods comets. Second place is the Kuiper belt. This region is behind orbit of planet Neptune. These comets have short orbital period compared to the Oort cloud comets. They have usually 200 years of period. Therefore, they are also known as short period comets. If you ever observe any falling star in real life or on TV, then you definitely point out a red or yellow colored fire looking part. That is called a coma or tail. Most of the comets develop this feature when they come close to the sun. As comets are made up of frozen gases and dust particles, so as their distance between the sun decreases during their revolution, they get warmer, and that heat results in the melting of gases and particles. As they vaporize, the stream is formed and it leaves the comet in V shape, and it can appear in red, white, blue or yellow color. And by this tail or coma, it is easy for scientists to identify any comet. That's it. Hope you understand everything in this video. How was the video? Comment me, and if you enjoyed it, then don't forget to hit subscribe and like button. Catch you later.